Welcome to fixitforgetit.com, where projects and ideas come together.
I came out here to do some painting on the railing today on the front porch, and yellow jackets started going after me. And it's a very aggressive bee, and they pack quite a wallop when they sting you. And right there's one flying around right now. I don't know if you saw that. But if you're looking for a non-toxic way to get rid of yellow jackets, especially when they're up in a little pocket like this. I've also had them up in roof line before, where they're way back in there, and there's just no way to get poison back in there to deal with them. So if you're looking for a real effective non-toxic way to deal with bees, get out your wet vac, put a little water in it, put the nozzle near where the bees are coming in and out. Right there's one, just went in. As they fly in or out, they will be sucked into the nozzle of the wet vac. And if you have bees up around the roof line, you can bungee cord or tape a longer wand onto your wet vac and bungee cord or tape it to a painter's pole or something like that, and then just lay it up near where the hole to the hive is. And you might be wondering, well, how effective is it? Let's have a look. I just have a couple of rocks holding that hose in place. Just a real small little wet vac that I got at Home Depot. Let's have a look inside and see how this did. Look at all those bees. Every one of those critters would love to have stung me. You see all of them up in the works here. So, if you're looking for an effective way to deal with the bees, that's it.